Switzerland is indeed a stunning country with a lot to offer. If you're looking to explore the best places to visit, here are some must-see destinations located in the heart of Europe. Switzerland is a land of extraordinary beauty and fascinating diversity. Renowned for its stunning landscapes, it is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts with a majestic Swiss Alps offering unparalleled opportunities for skiing, hiking, and adventure. Away from the mountains, Switzerland is dotted with picturesque lakes such as Lake Geneva and Lake Lausanne, where the calm waters invite pleasant boat trips and scenic walks.
Number 1.
Zermatt. Zermatt is a stunning destination known for its breathtaking alpine scenery and outdoor activities. One of the best places to visit in Zermatt is the iconic Matterhorn. You can take the Gornergrat Railway for spectacular views of the Matterhorn and the surrounding peaks. Additionally, the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise offers the highest cable car station in Europe, where you can enjoy panoramic views and even visit an ice palace. For hiking enthusiasts, the 5 Lakes Walk provides beautiful trails with views of the Matterhorn reflected in the lakes. Don't forget to explore the charming village of Zermatt itself, with its cozy chalets and vibrant local culture.
Number 2.
Geneva. Geneva is a beautiful city with a lot to offer. One of the top places to visit is the Jet d'Eau, the iconic water fountain on Lake Geneva. It's a stunning sight and a great spot for photos. You might also enjoy exploring the old town, Vieilleville, which is full of charming cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and cozy cafes. Don't miss the street Pierre Cathedral for a bit of history and a panoramic view of the city from its towers. If you're interested in international affairs, the United Nations office at Geneva is also worth a visit.
Number 3.
Lausanne. Lausanne Cathedral. This Gothic cathedral is a masterpiece of medieval architecture and offers panoramic views of the city from its tower. Olympic Museum explore the history of the Olympic Games with interactive exhibits and a beautiful park overlooking Lake Geneva. Parc de Mon Repos, a peaceful park perfect for a relaxing stroll, featuring beautiful gardens and a charming pond. Sauvablin Tower. Climb this wooden tower for breathtaking views of Lausanne and the surrounding Alps. Palais de Rumine, home to several museums, including the Cantonal Museum of Fine Arts and the Museum of Zoology.
Number 4.
Interlaken. Interlaken is a stunning resort town in the Bernese Oberland region of Switzerland, nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. It's a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts and those seeking breathtaking natural beauty. Interlaken is known for its adventure sports, including paragliding, skydiving, and bungee jumping. The surrounding mountains offer excellent hiking and skiing opportunities. Enjoy a scenic boat ride on Lake Thun or Lake Breens. Both lakes offer crystal clear waters and picturesque views of the surrounding mountains. Take a funicular ride up to Harder Kulm, Interlaken's local mountain, for panoramic views of the town and the lakes. Explore the charming town of Interlaken itself, with its Swiss architecture, shops, and restaurants offering local cuisine.
Number 5.
Bern. One of the best places to visit in Bern is the Klopp Tower, Ziplog. This iconic structure, once the city's western gate, features enchanting moving puppets and offers a glimpse into Bern's storied past. It's a must-see attraction that beautifully captures the medieval charm of the city. Bern is a charming medieval city with roots tracing back to the 12th century. Though it didn't join the Swiss Confederacy until the 16th century, hoppers will love exploring the Old Town, which boasts 4 miles of arcades, making it one of the longest covered shopping areas in Europe.
Number 6.
Zurich. Zurich is a vibrant city with a mix of cultural, historical, and natural attractions. Here are some top places to visit. Old Town, Altstadt. Wander through the charming cobblestone streets, explore medieval buildings, and visit landmarks like the Grossmünster and Frohmünster churches. Lake Zurich. Enjoy a scenic walk along the promenade, take a boat cruise, or relax at one of the lakeside parks. Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most exclusive shopping streets, perfect for luxury shopping and people watching Swiss National Museum. Discover Switzerland's cultural history through fascinating exhibits and artifacts.
Number 7.
Jungfrau. The Jungfrau region in Switzerland is renowned for its stunning alpine landscapes and outdoor activities. One of the best places to visit in this region is the Jungfrau, often referred to as the top of Europe. This high-altitude destination offers breathtaking views of the Aletsch Glacier and surrounding peaks. You can reach it via a scenic train journey on the Jungfrau Railway. Additionally, the picturesque villages of Grindelwald, Wengen, and Lauterbrunnen are must-visits, each offering unique charm and access to hiking, trails, waterfalls, and other natural wonders.
Number 8.
Monte Carlo of Switzerland. Nestled on the shores of Lake Lugano, this gem in the Italian-speaking part of Switzerland is gaining fame as the Monte Carlo of Switzerland. With warm summers and a history dating back to the 9th century, Lugano offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern allure. One of the best places to visit in Lugano is Monte Brera. This mountain offers breathtaking views of the city, Lake Lugano, and the surrounding Alps. You can reach the summit by taking a funicular ride, which is an experience in itself, or by hiking if you're up for some adventure. Once at the top, you can enjoy the panoramic vistas, dine at a mountain restaurant, or explore the various hiking trails. Monte Brera is a perfect spot for nature lovers and those looking to capture stunning photographs of the Swiss landscape. These destinations offer a mix of natural beauty, cultural experiences, and historical sites, making Switzerland a diverse and exciting place to visit. If you need more detailed information or travel tips, please ask.